Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the Happn app and sign up for it. So Happn is an online dating and social networking application. So you want to download and install the Happn app and sign up for it, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download and install the Happn application and sign up for it in very easy way. It's a very simple process, so you'll have no problem doing it. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to download and install the Happn application is open a Play Store or an App Store according to your mobile device. Then in the search field, search for Happn. Once you search for Happn, you'll see an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is simply tap on the install button. Now wait for the download and installation process to complete. Now once the download and installation process is complete, moving to the sign up process, what you need to do is open the Happn application. So tap on the open button. Once you open the Happn application, you land an interface like this. Now here you have two options in order to sign up for your Happn application. One is a Facebook account and the other is a Google account. There is no other way you can create an independent Happn account. So choose one of those options, then continue with that. So if you choose to create your account using a Facebook, so what you want to do is simply tap on continue with Facebook, then enter your Facebook account credentials, then continue. Then you'll successfully create an Happn account using a Facebook account. Or if you want to use a Google account, what you can do is simply tap on the continue with Google option, then enter your Google account credentials. Then you'll be able to create an Happn account using your Google account. So I'll show you the steps for creating it with a Google account. It's the pretty same process, you can do anything. So I'll choose continue with Google account. Then you land on the terms and conditions of the Happn application. So go through them, then tap on the I agree these terms button. Once you do that, here are some other privacy settings, so go through them, select according to your preference, then tap on the accept button. Once you do that, now you'll be asked to choose a Google account for yourself, so go ahead and choose a Google account for yourself. Then you'll be asked to enter your name, so go ahead and enter your name, then tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your date of birth, tap on the OK button. Once you tap on the OK button, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter your gender, so go ahead and select the gender. Then you will be asked to select who do you want to meet, so select according to your preference, then tap on the continue button. Then you'll be asked to enter your photo, so go ahead and add few of your photos here. So once you add a photo, tap on the continue button. Once you add a photo and tap on the continue button, you'll successfully create your Happn account. So now what you want to do is tap on the let's go button. Then you'll be asked for location permission, so allow the permission. So once you do all of that, you'll successfully create a Happn account for yourself. Now you can enjoy using a Happn account. So those are the simple steps in order to create a Happn account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video with some new information. Goodbye.